As an engineer, helping me out with the one-on-ones of product management was the key thing, and which also helped me land an offer midway through my IPL course. Hey, I'm Shreyas. I'm the Principal Product Manager at Palo Alto Networks. As a Principal Product Manager, I take care of the CSPM business, where we secure the cloud infrastructure for the customer. Before, as a part of the software engineering team, my focus was about solving a part of the problem, and that is what got me curious, because I wanted to understand from the whole bigger point of view and where we are solving the customer's need and how are we solving the customer's need. Are we solving the customer's need? These are the questions which got me into product management. When I decided to pursue my MBA, one of the industry veterans referred me to Institute of Product Leadership, and the things which stood up for me was: one, the faculty, which had filled with industry veterans. Second was the product labs. It was a hands-on experience of building your own things. Three was the entire curriculum, because coming back from an engineering background, we wanted to understand the one-on-ones of product. While I was pursuing my MBA, the number one challenge for me was how do I get into from an engineering mindset to a product mindset, and the whole curriculum was designed for that, where I was able to nail down the product management one-on-ones, and because of this, I was also able to nail down an offer right in between the course. And the faculty really helped us out with real-time examples of any problems, any kind of situations with respect to a product management. I would highly recommend take an idea and get a hands-on ideation all the way to product, pitch it to your VCs, pitch it to your friends, and get a real-time hands-on experience.